Hi guys, so it's Shanna and Deanna from
Dash Properties.
and today we are in Bradford, so we went to visit a few of Evans's BRRs.
It was really insightful. Well, currently he's focusing on rent to rent, but it was just insightful just learning about the BRR strategy and just connecting with other people, looking at his properties in person and just getting an idea of how it works and yeah.
So yeah, maybe in the future we'll be doing a BRR. So yeah, it was a good day, loads of knowledge, and hopefully we'll be doing one in the future. But we do ideally want to get a few more rent to rents. We want to get one HMO just to see how it is. We're not so confident right now, but we definitely want to build more knowledge on HMOs. And then maybe towards the end of the year, hopefully a BRR.
Yeah, we're thinking that, but we'll see how it goes.
Yeah,
but
and we
100%.
definitely really want to start deal sourcing as well.
Yeah, you can find us on Instagram, TikTok at Dash Properties and
Mainly TikTok and
Yeah.
Instagram though. And then we have our separate pages.
Properties with Deanna.
Property by Shanna.